guys, and welcome back to English Tourista, a podcast from English for tourism industry. I'm your host Naya, and today we are talking about a big topic for all of us: social media and how it impacts our minds. Our guest today is Tatya Putri Nirmala, a diploma for student in English for tourism industry at Polynema. Starting in 2024, she is very active, even volunteering for the Pemprov Jawa Timur 2025 basketball committee. Welcome, Tatya.
Thank you, Naya. I'm really happy to be here to talk about this important topic.
Okay, Tatya, let us start with the basic. What exactly social media?
Social media is simple. It is about websites or apps that allow users to create content, share content, and connect with other people.
I see. And when we talk about mental health, what does that mean?
Mental health is very important. It includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act when we cope with life.
So, can we take a look at the good side first? I mean, what are the positive impacts of social media on our mental health?
There are good things, Naya. First, social media is to help us stay connected with our friends and family. And we can also access information, news, and learning easily. And then many people find inspiration and motivation from others online.
Wow, that sounds helpful, but we know there is a bad side too. So, what are the negative impacts?
The negative side is often when we use it too much. Too much time on social media can lead to anxiety and depression. Also, when we look at the perfect life of others, we start something called social comparison, and this lowers our confidence. Overuse can also lead to addiction when you spend many hours just scrolling, and this can decrease your productivity and even hurt your sleep quality.
The idea of addiction and comparison is rather worrying. So, Katya, can you tell us how can we understand the power of social media?
We can use an analogy. Social media is like fire. Fire can be very good. It cooks our food and keep us warm. But if we do not control the fire and use it wisely, it can burn down everything. Social media is powerful. We must use it to connect, not to compare.
Oh, Tatya is using an analogy, and I really like that. So we must control the fire. Okay, Tatya, now can you give us some tips for using social media wisely?
Of course, there are a few easy steps. First, try to limit your screen time or even do a digital detox sometimes. And the second, follow content that is positive and educational. Most importantly, you must balance your online and offline life.
How do we balance it?
You need time to spend time with your family, friends, or nature. For example, I enjoy being active in the unit Aktivitas Bola Basket at Polynema, and then being busy outside helps me to balance the time I spend online.
That's great advice, especially for people in the tourism industry who always be professional and feel confident. Okay, Tatya, thank you so much for sharing these important points today.
Thank you, Naya, and remember, social media is powerful. Let's use it to connect, not to compare.
That was Tatya Putri Nirmala. Join us next time on Tourista.